Governor Whitmer was in Grand Rapids today, providing an update on the state's COVID-19 response for the first time in months. News 8's Jacqueline Francis was there and joins us live from the Medical Mile with the very latest on this. Jacqueline?
Emily, this was the governor's first COVID briefing since June, and a lot has changed since then. Her message today: get vaccinated and get your booster, and do so before it's too late.
We're here at the
Governor Gretchen Whitmer taking to the podium this morning with an urgent message, announcing a statewide goal to have 1 million more Michiganders receive their booster by the end of January.
Get your booster before Omicron is everywhere. We see it moving fast, so please act fast as well.
The Omicron variant, now the dominant COVID strain across the country. The governor taking questions about whether the highly contagious variant should be cause for concern.
When that many more people can get it, even if it is less deadly, and I don't know that we can conclude that yet, but even if it is, it still means that many more people will end up in a dire situation where they are filling hospital beds that already are full.
Although the state currently has more COVID cases than in the early days of the pandemic, Whitmer says more mandates are not the solution, now that we have tools like the vaccine.
Sweeping mandates are less likely to influence and encourage that population to get vaccinated, and that's why it's an education effort. It is sharing what the experience is, what the real threat is, how powerful and quick spreading the Omicron variant is, and why it's important that we avail ourselves of these vaccines.
And for those still not vaccinated, the governor was joined by a handful of speakers urging people to get their shot, including an emotional plea from an ICU doctor at Spectrum Health.
And what I see every day is heartbreaking. I see school-aged children draped over the body of their parent with tear-streaked cheeks and bloodshot eyes, with their mother asking, why my husband? Their parents asking, why my son? What more could we have done?
That was Dr. Shelley Schmidt. Her message today really striking a chord with those listening. We'll hear more from her about what it's like inside the ICU. That's coming up at 6.